Experiencing weak bass or external sounds bleeding through your AirPods Pro 3's noise cancellation? You're likely encountering low frequency sound leakage. This happens when bass sounds, 20 to 200 hertz, bypass the ANC due to an imperfect seal in your ear. This section covers why it happens and immediate steps you can take. Low frequency sound leakage occurs when bass sounds, 20 to 200 hertz, escape due to poor seal between the earbuds and ear canal. First, ensure a proper fit. Use the Apple Store app's ear tip fit test to find the best size SML. A tight seal is crucial. For many, that fixes the problem right away. If the fit test doesn't fully resolve the low frequency leakage, here are some advanced tips to try. First, customize your active noise cancellation settings. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Hearing Devices to access personalized ANC options. Experiment with different earbud positioning in your ears to improve the seal and occlusion, which helps contain those low frequencies. If issues persist, consider third-party solutions. Apps like EarTips create 3D scanned custom ear molds that fit perfectly, reducing leaks by 30 to 50%. Looking ahead, future AirPods will feature AI-enhanced active noise cancellation that adapts in real time to your environment for optimal performance. These advanced fixes should provide much more immersive bass response and effective noise cancellation for your AirPods Pro.